This is the unboxing assembly of the 13-inch portable planer by RIDGID, the R4850. You'll start by unpacking the upper styrofoam container. In the box you'll have the planer, the dust collection attachment, the cutter height adjustment handle, the Cutterhead lock handle, the T-handle Torx wrench, screws, washers, and split lock washers. Attaching the Cutterhead height adjusting handle. Attach the Cutterhead height adjusting handle to the shaft with the flat edge of the shaft engaged with the flat edge of the handle. Fasten the cutter height adjusting handle to the shaft using the 20mm Torx head screw and the split lock washer with the supplied T-handle Torx wrench. Attaching the Cutterhead lock handle. Use the supplied T-handle Torx wrench to attach the Cutterhead lock handle to the shaft with the 20mm Torx head screw and the split lock washer. Installing the dust collection attachment. Using the Cutterhead height adjustment handle, raise the main housing up high enough to allow clearance for the Torx head wrench. Using the wrench provided, remove the 20mm Torx screws and flat washers that secure the dust deflector. Remove the dust deflector. Align the 4 slots in the dust collection attachment with the holes in the frame. Secure using the 4 20mm Torx screws with the washers. Reverse the procedure for installing the dust deflector. Install the dust deflector with the label up and curved lip pointing down. Store the 2 extra mounting screws with the dust collection attachment. For more information and to see our whole lineup of RIDGID power tools, make sure you visit our website.